Hey guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that everything that I present you guys, I don't stuff that I haven't heard from before, and it's all creation and speculation that I've created, and I like to say that with creator authority that there's no patents on any of these things that you can go achieve your dream. Another thing that I haven't seen, solar powered cars with interfo inter kind of like an air conditioner filter. You know how those slide out? Have those be the hood of the car, and just have like a solar panel disc or like a flat surface, kind of flat like an air conditioner filter, and it goes in the car, and then in goes the next one. Then you can have like 20 solar panels on your ceiling, and every single one of them are accumulating power energy at all times, and they can just go in your car, and then you can travel. Like I said, no patent on that. Go achieve your dream. People can't say, "Oh," because I've never heard of that before. I've never heard of the idea of a solar powered car that has those interchangeable things. I don't even like patents anyway, and I think that they should be obsolete. I think if you think about the advancement of humanity, that patents withhold us and keep us back from even being our full potential. But with that being said, I'm going to continue on with what I have, which goes back to that bridge. And with that bridge, you eventually have it in the solar system, you can, like a geothermos or a thermostat. How would a house have heat energy? Well, a house would have heat energy if it was connected to a heat source. So if you have Mercury, if you have Venus, if you have the Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, you could kind of make heat sources to make these habitats sustainable and suitable. The first stage of action would be to have the first state of action would be have the bridges in the first place. But I would think, yeah, bridge, heating a house, planetary thermostat, Mercury, Neptune, Pluto beyond, constant warmth and constant cooling. Will Mercury cool off share if you share its heat? The sun says no. That means that the Mercury kind of withstands its surface temperature being that close. Constant heating of solar power, heating other surfaces, making colder terrains habitable. H2O in atmosphere, oxygen. What else do I have? The bridge connect. So the bridge connect would be the first concept, and then the temp monitor would be the bridge back. To withstand the temperature, I feel like could be easy because the material on the planets that you're trying to travel to can already withstand the temperatures. So if you were to get contact, how are you vent able to block or give heat, not absorbing it to one planet but routing it to another planet? Open close vent. And that concept is just like, how do you redirect the flow? Well, you have on the vents, the lower parts, you have a vent that would go to this planet and then open and go to the next planet. If planets are these gases and have surface temperatures of negative degrees, then that means technically you can walk on them. If it's a frozen gas, then that means that you can walk on it. What's an example of a frozen gas? Well, um, water frozen is ice, and you can walk on it. So I don't know. There's a lot of things that I don't know, but this speculation, I think that there's the whole aspect of this channel and the fact that we can raise each other up and just have humanitarian efforts and good physics and studies and people united is the whole concept. But I was thinking contact first, heat ventilation back, air vent gives or relieves, heater blowing hot air, unlimited heater would be the Mercury and the sun. Mercury's surface temperature is always going to have that heat. So you know, and then the outer planets are probably always going to have that coolness. Mercury has stayed at hot temp for how long and is destined to stay that way? Mercury, heater, distributed to Jupiter and beyond, habitable means. Uh, yeah. Then I'm thinking about magnetized crafts again, which is a different video. I have some notes on that.